y equal to a plus bx be the required line. Then here firstly you have to write the normal equation because you are going to fit the curves here. So we will write the normal equations. Therefore normal equations are summation y is equal to na plus b into summation x. It's better to remember that formula, I mean normal equations, and so take it as equation number 1, and summation xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. If you do not remember this, then go by the procedure, that is, firstly you will take sum of this one. Summation y is sum of a. Sum of a means na plus b into summation x. Then you will multiply this with x throughout, then taking summation. Okay, so since there are two unknowns, you have to have two equations. Okay, therefore we'll take this as, this is equation number 2. So now in this question, I mean in this equation you have x square, you have xy and all. So from this data you have to get x square, y square and all, I mean x square. So when you will do x square 1965 into 1965, that will be a very big number. Okay, so here we can use that deviation method or assumed mean method like that. So I'll write here x and y. So x data is 1965, then 1966, 1967, 1968, 1969. So then y is 125, 140, 165, then 195, 200. 195, 200. So we need to see, suppose I am going to write here x square, xy, they will be very big numbers. So here I am going to do the deviation method, or we will assume here a mean. So here the middle one is this one. Okay, so we'll choose it as like that. Let that x bar, we'll choose this value and we'll choose this value. Then the column what you have to make is, I'll write here x is equal to x minus this value 1967, and y is equal to y minus 165. Okay, then all these equations are going to change. So now here it will be capital XY, here capital X, and here it will be capital X square and all. Okay. So it's better that we will take this as y equal to a plus bx. Capital literally will put here a plus bx, because finally we need to change. So here it will be y x square. Otherwise at the end there may be a confusion. So this is x y. Okay. So now we need to have summation x means sum of this, then summation y means this, then xy we need x into y, and we need x square. Okay. So x minus 1967. So 1965 minus 1967 minus 2. This will be minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Similarly, y minus 165. So 125 minus 165, it is minus 40. Then 140 minus 165, it is minus 25. Then 0, 195 minus 165, it is 30 and 35. Okay. Then x into y, this into this. So 40 into 2, that is 80 positive. Here 25, here 0, 30 and 70. And now x square. X square is this one. 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. Now just find the sum of that. Summation x. Summation x is equal to c. It is 0. Then summation y. Summation y is 65 and 65. 0. Okay. Then summation xy is equal to addition of this. So 100, 180 plus 20, 205. Okay, sorry, how much it is? 70, and here it is, sorry, this is x into y, so 20 into 40, 80, 25, 30 into 1, yeah, right, 30 into x into y, 30 into 1 is coming, no? 30 into 1 is 30 only, right, no? So 35 into 2, 70, right? So how much it is? 205.
205.
So summation x square here it will be 10. So now substitute all that values in this equation number 1 and 2. Therefore equation number 1 will become, equation number 1 is summation x is equal, summation y is equal to na plus this one. So y 0 is equal to n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is how many are there, that counts. So 5a plus b into summation x, so that is b into 0. Okay, so 5a equal to 0, that means you are getting a is equal to 0. So therefore a is equal to 0. Now from equation number 2, summation xy, that means 205 is equal to a into summation x. So a into 0 plus b into summation x square. Summation x square is 10. So that means this is 205 is equal to 10b. Therefore b is equal to 205 upon 10, that is 20.5. This is the value of b. Okay, so now this is b. Now therefore the equation is y is equal to a plus bx will become a plus bx. That means the equation y equal to a plus bx is y is equal to a0 plus b is 20.5 into x. Now what we have to do is, here x and y are some substitution. Okay, we have changed that x and y. X is x minus 1967, y is y minus 165. So most of the times what happens is, students do up to this and they will leave it. You don't have to leave it like that. We need to re-substitute that one. That is, here what will come, instead of y you will write y minus 165. What is our substitution? That you have to re-substitute. So y is y minus 165 and x is x minus, so here it is 20.5 into x minus 1967. Now simplify this and you will get the answer correct one. So this is equal to 20.5 x minus 20.5 into this one 1967. How much it is?
4032.3.5.
4032 point
323.5. 323.5.
4032.3.5. Okay, this much big
Yes, ma'am.
number. Okay, and here it is y minus 165. Now take this to the right side. So that is y is equal to 20.5 x minus this 4032.3.5 plus 165. So how much it will come? 323.5 48.5. Okay, so this is the required line.